Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you on how to put a long hair in a small headband. We call it donut. You must have this one. It's like a hairband, but it's a little bit thick. And then a regular hairband. I'll show you how to do it. You just put this in your hand like this and bring all the hair over here and pull the rest of the hair through the bar like that, and then you bring all this hair in front and at the back everywhere. Make sure it's everywhere like this, and then you got this one. Yeah, I'm still here. Yeah, I'll show you. And then you bring this one over here on top. Secure it inside. It's just a 5-minute thing. And then you bring the rest of your hair over here, because people always want to know, how do you get your hair into a donut? So this one you have to squeeze it in like this. You have to squeeze it in. You see the way it's now? And then you take this one and braid it. You section your hair into three. You section it into three. You can either braid it or twist it like that. And I love my hair color. You braid it and we'll see the results. You just braid it. I'll show you faster. You can do this with the hair extensions or with your real hair, but you have to get a nice extension which doesn't tangle like human hair. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, trying to do it faster. Okay, you don't need to go to the salon. This hair style, you can even do it for your wedding. You can even call me, I can do it for free. I don't have to charge you nothing. Okay, let's do this. Let me show you how to. You have to braid to the head. Yep. Let's see. Back to the hand. And then you still have to, and you just do it like that. You can secure it there with bubble pins or just you lock it in there. And there you go. There you go. Nice hairdo. Beautiful, and it's firm and nice. Beautiful. I love it. Easy like that. Thank you for watching.